Want to build a product inventory and performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our product inventory data into Bricks. Simply click Import Data and select your file. The data uploads instantly and we're ready to build. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our inventory data, identifying key metrics like product distribution, stock levels, and pricing patterns. It's automatically generating 6 powerful charts including product distribution by status, stock quantity analysis, and top-performing brands. The AI is also creating summary tables for category insights and low stock alerts. Within seconds, our complete product inventory and performance dashboard is ready with comprehensive visualizations showing inventory health, category performance, and pricing analytics across all product lines. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now, let's explore presentation mode for executive reporting. This clean interface removes all editing tools, perfect for boardroom presentations. Navigate seamlessly between charts showing real-time inventory metrics, stock distribution, and category performance. Each visualization tells a story about our product portfolio health. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, drill down into data, and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.